This is Melissa from Sunshine Packingware. Welcome to watch my video collection Melissa talk about. You know today what I want to introduce to you is this one, our very big size cake drum. See? For this cake drum, I think it's already 80 inch. So everybody will see, wow, what would be the big cake drum used for? That you will know, like for the wedding cakes, different vacation and the celebration. There are many occasions we will have to use this cake drum. So for the big size cake drum, as we can see, it's also very strong. We have different material like only corrugated ball, or the inside also have the great ball. So the great ball cake drum will be, as you can see, the voice is very strong, so it will be very stable for putting like maybe 10 kg or 12 kg the cakes. So you will feel very stable to using our Sunshine cake drum. So if you like our big size cake drum, feel free to contact me right now. Thank you, bye bye.